How to hide or private all of your photos on Facebook on your Android. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Facebook menu by clicking these three lines on your upper right corner. Then go to your profile page. And you want to tap on these three dots here beside edit profile button. Then tap on activity lock. Right here, you want to tap on your Facebook activity and scroll down until you find manage posts. Click on it. You want to wait for a while. Now tap on filters. Select categories. Then choose your post, photos, and videos. This is because you just want to hide your photos, but not your entire post. Then click on all. And to make sure all of the photo is selected, if you have a dozen of photos, you want to scroll down until the first time you upload the photo on Facebook. And you want to go back and select all. Then you want to select these three dots here on your lower screen and tap on change audience. Tap change audience again. Then choose to only me. Tap on change. And from here, you want to go back to activity lock. Then choose activity you are tagged in. Then tap on manage tags. It is needed because there are some photos or videos of us posted by another person like our friend or our family, and we are tagged in there. So we want to delete the tag that refer to our account, so no one will find any photo or video of us later if they ever search our name. Right here, you want to choose filters. Tap on categories. Choose photos and videos you are tagged in. And select all. And tap on remove tags. Tap on remove. And there you go. Right now, all of your photos or videos are private and hidden on the Facebook. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.